Since the Mickey pumpkins from Home Goods or TJ Maxx have been so popular, I thought I would try to make my own Mickey pumpkin. And so in case you can't find it or just wanted to make your own DIY craft, so stay tuned for details. So this pumpkin was from Hobby Lobby. It was 40% off, I think. And then I got these little wreath picks, which I thought would be easier to stick in the pumpkin. So I'm going to be painting these black, I think. So let's see. So I'm going to refilm this, and I decided to leave the pumpkin on the sticks and don't put them in the pumpkin before I paint them. So let's paint them. Because the first time I tried to take the pumpkin off the stick, and that just made a huge mess. So learn from my mistakes. Paint that I had, so whatever black like craft paint you have should work. And I'm going to do something a little different for the mini ears. Oops. That I thought might add a fun touch to it. So if you're a glitter lover, stay tuned for that. It all covered with the black paint. These little pumpkin picks with the sticks on them turned out to be a really good find. That looks pretty good, so let's let it dry and we'll paint the other pumpkin. The ones with the stick I decided to just put in a little cup so it doesn't sit on anything to let it dry. And I'm not sure, I might need a second coat, but we'll have to wait and see. Pumpkin black, this one's for the Minnie Mouse pumpkin. So for the mini pumpkins, I thought it would be really cute to add some black glitter, but you can do it for the Mickey too. Totally up to your creativity. So let's add some glitter. So you'll need some type of Mod Podge. I'm using this regular matte type and some black glitter earlier, since it's just gonna be kind of a First, you want to decide which way you want to be the front, which I'm going to do this side as the front. And then I'm going to try to measure. We'll see how this goes. So, let's see what 2 looks like. I think I'm going to try 2.5 inches and see how that looks. See if we can, oh, it does poke right in. Okay, let's see. Oops, I forgot to take this tag off. Oh shoot. Oh yeah, this is gonna look really good, I think. And then let's measure the other side. About 2.5 inches. And here you have a pumpkin. Now, if you want to, you could leave it like this and maybe paint these orange, but I will add a face to it. I decided to take the little stem off, so it was like flat. So for the face, I'm going to use these acrylic markers. I thought they'd be easier than using paint, and I'm using the black one. These are from Amazon. So I printed this pumpkin Mickey face off of the internet. I think I'm going to try cutting it out and see if I can tape it on to make it kind of like a stencil or something. We'll see what happens. So I cut out the design, and I use these little scissors, and let's see how it fits on the pumpkin. So I'm going to first go in with a Sharpie just to get the outline of the places. And then I'll go back with the paint marker and fill it all in and make sure the lines are all clean. So here's the face done. That is probably the hardest part of this whole project, is trying to draw the face. But this definitely helps with the template that I printed. So now I'm going to use the paint marker and fill in all the spots. Oops. Oh shoot, I did not mean to do that. Sorry. So here's the finished pumpkin, and then when Halloween's over, you can just turn it around and you'll have a solid Mickey pumpkin. Super cute.